Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with a quick video for my creative time. It's my design team project, and so I'm just going to go ahead and start right in. And so I'm going to be using these bright Halloween enamel dots, starry background folder, that's the embossing folder, butterfly stamp and die. So this will, if you were to purchase it, it comes also with butterflies, but I just use the stamp and die, so I'm using this die here. And sending hugs and prayers. I'm using the big daisy dies, flower leaf die plate. I'm also using these daisy dies down here, and I think that's all. Yes, daisy dies down here, using all of those. I'm using the 3.75 by 4.75 layers, and I think I'm just using these two here. And then I'm also using the rectangle frame dies, as well as the layers. Papers, I am using script hearts and solids. I'm using that brown. Out of the spring solids 2024, I'm using the yellow. And then I also bring in the Halloween papers. You don't have to use them for Halloween. These papers are perfect for everyday use as well. And I'm using this black. And then the bright Halloween colors, I'm using the green. And here is this cute little card. I needed a card to send off to a family member, and so I thought this was perfect. And it is so pretty. I love it. I used the black mirror cardstock just to make that the starry background pop, and you can see it a little better. And I laid it on top of the gingham paper, just so pretty, along with these daisies. I did add the little dots in the center, and I also inked up the leaves going around, and I put some distress ink on the stars in the background so you can really see that. And there goes that butterfly stamp and die set there. And then there goes the inside of my card. And this is where I used the frame die layers there. And this was the actual frame dies there. All right, so that's what I have for you today. Make sure you head over and check out the rest of the designers. You may use my code MOE for 10% off your total purchase, or 15% off on release weekends. And then also share the love. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.